Hey traders, this is Forex James, and it's day 2 of our day trading strategy series. We're about 2 hours before the London market open, and we'll start by drawing our ranges here, if there is one. Okay, this is the Australian dollar. The pound, the dollar yen, euro dollar, price looks like wants to break to the downside here. Dollar CAD, the Kiwi. Okay, I'm gonna set the pending orders in, and I'll keep you updated when any order is triggered. Hey guys, we're in a few positions right now. All the pending orders were triggered except for the dollar yen. So this is during the late Asian. We're about 2 hours away from the London Open. I'm going to just aim for a modest take profit target. Okay. The market rarely breaks out big time before London, in my opinion, and from my experiences. So if I could just scalp a few pips here and there, I'd be happy. Hey guys, the London market just opened exactly 17 minutes ago. This candle marks the open. Okay, the big ones. You can see the same pattern across the pairs. Okay, that's the 8 a.m. London Open. I closed out all my trades at the candle close prior to the London Open candle. So right about here, because we've reached our daily pip target. Okay, we're up about 60 something pips. Let me pull it across the chart for you. There you go. Australian dollar. The pound. Again, we could never guess what would happen. There's a big candle move. So as long as I've reached my target daily, I'm happy to walk away. Okay, the dollar yen was never hit. The euro. Dollar CAD. Last of all, Kiwi. Okay, so a really short session today, about 2-3 hours or so. Unlike yesterday, I was up for at least 12 hours looking at the charts. We traded from the Asian all the way till New York, and those days happen sometimes. Okay, and some days like this, we're out early. We've achieved our daily goal. For me personally, I'd like to walk away from the charts and just enjoy the rest of my day. Okay, here's the pip tally for today. 5 trades, all winners, 63 pips, and the amount in dollars here. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow in day 3.